Every decade, Wall Street creates a new name for the companies investors believe will shape the future. For years, it was FAANG, then it became the Magnificent Seven. Now, Wall Street has a brand new name, MANGOS. MANGOS stands for Meta, Anthropic, Nvidia, Google, OpenAI, and SpaceX. Some investors believe these companies could drive the next trillion-dollar AI boom, but history suggests things may not be that simple. To understand MANGOS, we first need to understand how Wall Street has always grouped market leaders together. Back in the 1950s, Italian industrialist Enrico Mattei coined the term Seven Sisters. The name described the oil companies that dominated global energy. As decades passed, new groups emerged. During the 1960s, investors focused on the Nifty 50, a collection of large, stable companies expected to grow for decades. Then came the first internet boom. Technology was led by Cisco, Dell, Intel, and Microsoft, a group known as the Four Horsemen. As the internet evolved, another famous name appeared. FAANG represented Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. These companies defined the social media era. Following the pandemic, another group took over. The Magnificent Seven included Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, and Tesla. Together, they became some of the world's most valuable companies, driving much of the stock market's growth. But artificial intelligence is creating another shift. Now investors are focusing on MANGOS Meta, Anthropic, Nvidia, Google, OpenAI, and SpaceX. Unlike previous groups, these companies represent nearly every part of the AI ecosystem. Nvidia builds the chips, OpenAI creates advanced language. Dell's Anthropic focuses on safer. Frontier AI Google combines its massive cloud infrastructure with Gemini. Meta continues investing billions of dollars into OpenAI models. SpaceX provides global satellite infrastructure that could become increasingly important for AI-powered communications and autonomous systems. Together, these companies represent one of the biggest bets Wall Street has ever made. Some are already making history. SpaceX recently surpassed a $2 trillion valuation, becoming one of the world's most valuable private companies. Nvidia has become one of the most valuable public companies thanks to exploding demand for AI chips, but not everyone believes the AI boom will continue forever. Analysts warn that companies are spending hundreds of billions of dollars building data centers, buying expensive AI hardware, and training larger models. Others worry that increasing competition could eventually reduce the price of AI services, making it harder to justify today's massive valuations. Recently, shares of Meta, Nvidia, and Alphabet have all experienced periods of decline as investors questioned whether AI spending is becoming excessive. Reports also suggest that OpenAI may delay its public stock market listing. History offers an important lesson. Every generation believes its market leaders will dominate forever, but they rarely do. Most of the original Seven Sisters were eventually merged, broken apart, or disappeared. Many members of the Nifty 50 lost their dominance. Even several companies that once defined the internet boom are no longer industry leaders. Today's winners are not guaranteed to remain tomorrow's champions. Artificial intelligence could become the biggest technological revolution of our lifetime, and MANGOS may become the companies that define it, or history could repeat itself once again. The real question isn't whether artificial intelligence will change the world. The real question is whether MANGOS will still be leading it 10 years from now.